This is part cinco, cinco, cinco. Sons of Anarchy music jamming. Pakistan's queen of Queen Marisha Harlot, bright as a diamond. This is our Lollywood extravaganza. Slipping some good times, Pakistan. Aunt Michelle, Deborah, the Minds Casting crew, we love you. And you know, Salam Alaikum, Allah Akbar. We're gonna be home very soon by the time you see this baby. Oh, bless me. We're celebrating life. We're all because we work hard. Love you. Slipping some good times, baby. Cause that's the bro about. Cinco, thank you all, appreciate you all, fucking cool, fucking hard, fucking joke, fucking world. Cause you know the obstacles, baby. We overcome, beautiful, over the mind. That we are here to shine forever. Thank you, Marisha Harlot. Grateful, thankful, appreciative, and everybody's favorite outlaw, baby. They're gonna take Swing of the King. But not me. We are still standing. Lollywood. Because our listeners like a lot of you. We'll be a little bit. But I promise you, we'll be a king. We'll shine the dance and lance the thing. I love you, Patrick. Marisha Harlot. Thank you, appreciate your singing, your dancing, dancing, prancing. She is the best actress in the world, and you are my best friends in the whole world. Thank you, Deborah, Aunt Michelle, Maria, Hernan, Armand. I love you. The revolution, baby. We'll be televised, Mama Sita. We can leave. Take me home. For America. Here. Very good. Woo! Love you, appreciate you, respect you, admire your hard work. Best motherfucking TV show. Go today. Sweat pouring, passion overflowing, and the sun's living through over the family. That's destiny. Because I'm not affected by the blackmail, and I'm not affected by the bullshit anymore. Because I love what I love, and I love it with a passion. Thank you, Marisha Harlot. Respect you. Respect is earned, not given. And you know I love you. I appreciate you. Hugs, kisses.